this is really dense material, but that is actually good when it comes to soundproofing. This is what we're using. It's the QuietRock Easy Snap. What makes this a great product though is the fact that there's 2 pieces of drywall here that are laminated together with a soundproofing compound in the center.
We score it on both sides so that it's just easier to snap once we have to snap it.
Right, standard drywall you just score on one side, but you're scoring it on 2. Rob, you're using extra long screws here, I see.
We need the screws to reach all the way through to the resilient channel. We're using long screws because it's the second layer of drywall.
And this stuff is one of the most cost-effective soundproofing tools, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that is really going to cut down on the sound transmission coming through. All right, now that we have our 2 pieces installed, we've got our sealant all in behind. You always want to make sure whenever you're layering drywall for soundproofing, you always want to make sure that your seams are staggered. Now, because of material, this is expensive. We don't quite have as much material to stagger the joints even more, but ideally, you'd want to not ever have your seams on top of each other, because again, it's all about the sound. If you put your seams on top of each other, that's a great roadway for sound to travel through. So we've just offset those ever so slightly. You know what that is? The sound of silence. I love it. Our neighbor is home and we can't hear a thing. I am already so happy with the soundproofing. Now, if only we could turn off our phones. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, you can hit the like button or share the video with your friends. And if you'd like, subscribe to our channel. I need to go grab a drink of water because I'm fighting off a bad cold. I know, I had to get this done.
We just use a knife, score it, and snap it.
That was easy.
So easy.
It's so easy.